So what you can see behind is the Bulana tank. Bulana is a first order valley tank in the Thumbikulama Cascade. So this is the starting point of this cascade, that is Bulana, which is fed by the rainwater and the water collected from the nearby forest in the Gampataha. This is Thumbikulama, the Thumbikulama tank. Actually this is in the Thumbikulama Cascade. The cascade itself is named from the same tank's name, Thumbikulama Cascade and the Thumbikulama tank. This is the first linear cascade we find among the three very first cascades which are providing water to the Malwathu river basin. So this cascade consists of 5 tanks. It starts from the Bulana tank and then this Thumbikulama tank, and later we find the Galkadavala tank. There are another 2 tanks which are located in the sides of the main axis. They are the Kayan Waver or the Kayan tank and the Pattiya Waver, the Pattiya tank. So these 5 tanks are located within this cascade. So this linear cascade is between 2 branch cascades, that is Bellankadavala and Palugas Waver. So this is a little narrowed axis, and this is among the first cascades which are making the waterhead of Malwathu, the river basin. This has been reconstructed very recently, and now it is functioning as a complete tank. So we have found more than 75 medicinal plants which are used for the healing of traditional physicians in this area. So this is a very rich, diverse area in case of medicinal plants. So the medicinal plants we find in this area is heavily used for the healing. That's the heritage of healing. The heritage of healing in this area is basically bound with the medicinal plants which are grown with these tanks situated in the cascades. So this is the last tank which is located in the main axis, and the water from this tank joins with the canal which goes from Bellankadavala towards Horivilla, the Horivilla tank. So there are another 2 more tanks which are side tanks called Kayan Waver and the Pattiya Waver. So they are close by, but that water does not come into this tank. So they are also directly going to the canal which brings water from Bellankadavala tank to the Horivilla tank. Pattiya Waver is one of the side tanks, or in Sinhala it is called Alapath Waver, in the Thumbikulama Cascade. There are 2 such side tanks which are very small in size, but this is relatively little larger than the previous one, that is the Kayan Waver. Kayan Waver is probably maybe 2-3 acres of size, but this is much larger, and this area of the cultivation is also a little large for this Pattiya Waver. So this Pattiya Waver and the Kayan Waver are the 2 tanks which are in the slope of the Thumbikulama valley. So the water from this Pattiya tank as well as Kayan tank directly flows to the Horivilla tank without getting in touch with the water flow from the Galkadavala tank. So including this Pattiya tank and the Kayan tank, all 5 tanks which we observed and analyzed are Bulana, Thumbikulama, Galkadavala, Kayan Waver and Pattiya Waver. With these 5 tanks, the first linear cascade of the Malwathu valley is concluded.